Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's always great to have you here and I hope you're going to consider subscribing. I'm curious, how many of you have eaten this before? These are sugar beans, also known as red speckled beans, and today I'm showing you how to make an old Durban favorite curry, which is also a staple crop in many countries in Africa. These beans have many health benefits, so let's get started. Before cooking, always wash and clean the beans, removing all the dirt and stones. And for this recipe, I'm using 2 cups of beans and I'm washing it about 3 times. Once the beans have been washed, place in a deep pot with 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and 1.5 liters of water. Boil for about 1 hour. Then in a glass bowl, peel, wash and cube 2 medium potatoes. To this, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of rough salt. Also add in 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of dhana jeera powder. This is a mix of cumin and coriander, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 heaped teaspoon of crushed garlic, and 1 strand of curry leaf. These leaves actually make the curry smell so good. In another deep base pot, which is flat, add in 1/4 cup of oil and then add in 1 teaspoon of jeera seeds with 2 onions finely sliced. Braise this until the onions have slightly browned in color. Once the onions have browned, add in the potato mix with all the spices that we kept aside earlier. Then give this a quick toss and then add the sugar beans, which we should have halfway cooked but not completely soft. Add in the beans with the water, making sure that you use all of the water, because this will help soften the beans further and cook the potatoes until it is soft. Leave this to cook for about 30 minutes on medium heat. The curry leaves and the spices together make this dish so aromatic and so colorful. Once the potatoes have softened, you can dish this out onto a serving bowl and serve this with bread, rice, rotis, and even perfect in a bunny chow. So enjoy this simple, yummy, wholesome meal and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this recipe. Until the next time, happy cooking!